think we're good. Let's try it and see what happens. Told you I would hold my foot to the floor, but I think what I might try and do is, can I lock this carb up somehow, like that, just with a screwdriver somewhere in there. Not quite. It's kind of close. About something like that right there. Okay, I spun that over quite a bit. It seems that got to be leaking somewhere. I don't have a good seal. Try it again here while I'm watching. Okay, well that one was hitting 150. I don't know if my O-ring's not sealing. Yeah, because it's leaking down on me. Okay, I'm going to shut the heater off in there. It's making a lot of noise. Okay, so I better write these down or I forget. But I'm not going to scoff at 150. I'm a little concerned about the O-ring and how well this is sealed. It's going to be a problem when I get to the other side if it's not holding for me. So we'll try it in the next cylinder. Now the next cylinder is 3 on this side. I just did 1. So the next one here is 3. And we know we've been dealing with it just not being as warm. God, I find these hard to... There we go. Man, it sure doesn't seem like it turns in much, but... Okay, so I'll get a pen here. We got this pen for now. I'm going to write it on the table. So we got cylinder 1, and we are going to say he went up to 150, which I'm good with that. Now, let's try the next one. Okay, it's not holding for me again, but the needle does bounce up. Just about hits like 150, just like the last cylinder. I don't know what's leaking. It doesn't hold it, which is unfortunate, but 150 on our cylinder that's a little bit cold is telling us about the same thing that our leak down tester told us. Was the cylinder seems all right. Okay, just that. So now we're going to go cylinder 3. We're going to say it's 150 because I can roughly tag 150 with it. So I'm not going to split hairs. Find it very hard to find the right angle of the dangle screwing this thing in though. Oh, that time it did. Okay. Okay, now we're on cylinder 5. Cross your fingers. Whoopee. Don't break all the tools first. Okay, let's cross our fingers with this one, people, and see what we got. Okay, that one, he's more like, he's not quite 150. So he's going to be 125. I'd say 130, 135. So we're going to go 130, 135. No reason for alarm yet. Ideally, I'd like to see them all bounce up to 150, but I don't know, maybe a little bit of running time will help. Okay, now let's see if I can get in this back cylinder, which is going to be a treat. So hopefully you guys don't fall asleep during this process. Crawl right in here. Oh, come on. I don't know if I have a shorter one I can try in there. Hot. Okay. I do have a shorter one I just found. I think we'll give him a go. Oh, getting that angle. Wouldn't think it would be that bad. Wow. Having trouble here, people. What the heck? Got the right size, don't I? Yeah. Gosh, should work, but go back to the long one here for a minute. Just gonna check this one. Just want to see if I can figure out why I'm not getting the angle right. Oh man, you'd swear it was the wrong size hole or something. people. This one, unless there's one that's tapered a little bit nicer, but I'm having troubles. What else do we got? We got him. Well, we'll just go back and try some more with the one we got. But yeah, I'm definitely having troubles. I might have to go the other side and take a break from this side. Because, yeah, it's starting to get to me. And I'm way too hot. You know what? I'm going to give him a break. And I'm going to go over and see this side. And I'm going back. He ain't getting the best of this deal. Yeah, that one just screws right in, of course. Okay, can I see this? And I can see it. And that one is also hitting 150. Okay, so that's cylinder 2, hitting 150. And now we're on to cylinder 4. But I better write cylinder 2 down. Okay, cylinder 2, 150. Cylinder 7, we still don't know. And cylinder 4, we're about to find out. Okay.